Last box of NT Baseball I got here. AJ running it back. Here we go, buddy. Let's see what we got. Okay, you might be really, really happy. You might be really, really happy here. You might be really happy. I'll just say that. I saw the name on the back. Kyle Lewis on the top, number 299. I'm really, really hoping this is going to be an autograph. Next up, number 299, Mauricio Devon. Gleyber Torres, jersey, number 299. All right, Hall of Fame, 3-color patch of Eddie Murray, numbered 5 of 10. Next up is a dual patch autograph of Jake Rogers, number 225. Detroit Tigers. Next up is a Yoshitomo Tsutsugo. Tampa Bay Rays number 299 auto with a jumbo jersey. All right, next up. I think you're going to be happy. All right, Edwin Rios, number 299. All right, this is what I was hoping for. I told you I had not seen a real big autograph out of the case yet. This is a big autograph, though. Number 10 of 25, the future. Luis Roberts. Congrats, buddy. Sweet. Excellent hit. And I don't think this is going to be autographed, unfortunately, but you nailed the name. Legendary Materials booklet, 40 of 99. And it is Teddy Ballgame. Mr. Williams. Fantastic second box. Buddy, I appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed. And again, I will get all this stuff packed up, shipped out ASAP.